Google, 3 reasons to buy right now. There are many innovation projects that all have a chance to influence the Google market capitalization, and they are all expected to be released by the company soon. We'll review them briefly, and we recommend to take a look at Google stocks now. The first reason is the Google Soli radar. Google first mentioned the Google Soli project back in 2015, and until now there hasn't been much information, but several details about the device were released recently. Earlier this year, Google got a waiver from the Federal Communications Commission that gave it permission to operate these same Soli sensors at a higher frequency than what current regulations allow. All of this gives a sign that the Google Soli project will be realized soon, possibly as soon as this fall with the release of the next Pixel phone. Google Soli is a new sensor technology that will detect touchless gestures. The Soli is a chip, 8mm by 10mm, that uses a miniature radar to recognize and process radio signals online. In the future, Google Soli will let users control electronic devices without touching them, with the simple language of gestures. We envision a future in which the human hand becomes a universal input device for interacting with technology. This is the project mission formulated in Google. Gesture detection is not the only thing that Google Soli can do. The device can recognize tiny details, for example, identify plastic cards, and even count the number of sheets in a stack of paper. Google reported the potential market is immense. The technology will be used in smartphones, computers, compact electronic devices, and cars. Some of these things Google plans to launch soon. The second reason is the Google Pixel Watch. The first smartwatch from Google may be released this year. The company is still keeping all the details in secret, but it is known that the company is working on 3 models and that the watches will be operated by the Wear OS with active support provided by Google Voice Assistant. It is also said to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 3100 processor, which has been exclusively designed for compact devices. The primary feature, known as the Black Ghost, will enable the Google Pixel Watch to hear voice commands around the clock with minimal battery drain. The watch will enable users to pay for their purchases, take their pulse, and recognize music tracks. Another possible feature may be a sensor frame around the display. And the third reason is Stadia, a new generation cloud gaming service that has a great chance to make a revolution in gaming. Now you don't have to download and install games. With the help of Stadia, you can have instant access with 4K resolution and 5.1 surround sound. The service will be available in 14 countries starting from November of 2019. The subscription will cost $9.99, and this subscription will provide access to the basic range of games, while other games will be available for additional payment. Right now, to start Stadia, users will need to use a media player to play the audio and video content on Chromecast. But Google assures that in the future it will be possible to use the service via Chrome. The media player is included in the special Founders Edition for $130. This edition also includes a gamepad and a 3-month subscription for 2 users. If for some reason you are not able to actually purchase real shares of Google right now, you can make money on the Google shares via the Olymp Trade platform without actually buying them. I welcome you.